Fall weather. The leaves are turning, grass about to start slowing down, birds are chirping, and it is cold. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. This is your boy Polo of Polo Fields Lawn Service. I hope that you all are having a blessed day today. And y'all know what time it is, right? It's time for me to get out here to this renovation lawn. Time for me to go ahead and cut this lawn and give it its first cut. Now, y'all know what this lawn has been through. This lawn has been through torrential rains when the seed got washed down the hill. This lawn has been through moles, and this lawn has been through Pythium Blight. So it's been getting a 1, 2, 3 punch from every single where. But it's time to give it its first cut. I'm not gonna hold you all any longer. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Right, we're here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Ooh, she's in due for a cut. She's wet too, but that's all right.
So she is done, people. Forgive my stripes. I know they, they're a little bit crooked, but first cut. She is looking good. Now, I'm gonna show you those little spots where the Pythium tried to come in at. There still is a couple of little spots in here, like that, for example. Of course, y'all know that's where the drain is coming from. But overall, grass is growing in there, and it's kind of filling in. There is some weeds, but I'll take care of those weeds. Now you see these brown spots that are in the yard. This is where that Pythium was trying to grow. So this is what all of the brown spots basically looks like. You have where the Pythium was trying to grow. So on top of it, you see the brown. But below it, you see the green. So you see the green is basically pushing that brown out. Y'all forgive my gloves. The green is basically pushing that brown out, that damaged area out where that Pythium was trying to grow. Everywhere where you see those brown spots, that's where the Pythium was. And the new growth is basically growing it out. So of course in that area right there, and then you have a few other areas that I showed you all, like on the hill, like right over there. There's some spots up there, there's some spots up there. There's a couple of spots on the parkway. There's a spot right there. This is where that Pythium was trying to grow. But thank the Lord, I got her on the day of when it was trying to grow and stopped it. And there's the other spot where the downspout, where the water's going down that way. But overall, when I was here last time, it wasn't filled in this much. There is some weeds in there, but I'll get the weeds, but it is starting to fill in a little bit. But I'll take care of that part right there. No more moles. Of course, the mole hole had went up that way and it tracked down this way. and it was going down that way. No more moles, so we got the gummy worms to take care of those moles. But overall, you all, she is green. She's looking good. She's thickened. She's going to thicken up because this is Mountain View seed, turf type tall fescue. You can see the footprints. I cut it at 3 inches, so it's going to thicken up and it's going to look beautiful, you all. It's going to look beautiful. Right now it looks beautiful. Good vibrations, yeah. That's the positive vibe. Shout out to Turf Therapy. Shout out to Turf, man. I would have never known about that song if I wouldn't have met that young man. Matter of fact, let me shout out to everybody. Turf Therapy, Cam, PJ. Shout out to the We Working team, man. We working. Y'all see all of these holes, man. This is awesome. Of course, I got my homeboy down there, Money Mike, helping the bro out. Lord Jesus, bless that young man. Oh man, we working, man. We